Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular bathroom over here. So we'll continue it. So we'll be modeling the few assets over here. So now I'll go into the top view and I'll create this shower area. So I'll take a cylinder over here. So let's just slightly push this up. So I'll go over here. I can reduce this, convert to editable poly, select the edges and let's give a bit of chamfer. Click OK. Select the polygons. Let's give a bit of inset. Extrude it. Click OK. And now again select this polygons and I can slightly just push this up over here. And I'll just set this at the center. Now go again into this vertices. After that, create this section. So for that, again I'll go over here. I'll take a cylinder. I'll activate the auto grid option. Convert to editable poly. Select the polygons and let's give a bit of inset. Give a bit of bevel. Now let's again slightly inset it, not much. So let's go into this side view over here and I can go into this line. I'll off this auto grid over here. Like this. I'll just push this down. Just shuffle this till here. So I can slightly push this a bit aside till here. Again I will go into this front view. I'll take a line. I'll just take a line over here. And keep it like this. So let's go over here. Now let's attach it. Select the vertices, fuse vertices, weld vertices, fuse vertices, weld vertices. Select this and let's give a bit of fillet over here. So I can just give a fillet over here and I can give a fillet over here also. Give a fillet over here a bit. So let's again rendering, enabling viewport. That's it. We can do that. And now we have to create this stuff kind of. So I'll just go over here. Okay, so I can slightly shift this over here and this way. So I'll go into this side view over here again. Front view, sorry. And I'll just take a line over here. Till here. So shift this over here. So convert to editable poly. We can add some loops over here. So let's go into the modeling. Let's add some loops over here. Okay. Just make it straight. After that, push this up. Again, take a line tool over here. So let's go into this and make it as a rectangular. So reduce this width and height over here. Keep it in this way. Slightly shuffle this. Give a bit of fillet. Alright, we'll go with these details later on. First we'll create few of the things which are left. Other assets, definitely we are going to make that. So I'll just make a tray part over here. So let's just take a box, auto grid. So convert to editable poly. Select the polygons. Use some swift loops. So go into this polygons again, insert it, and extrude it down. So take a cylinder, convert to editable poly, select the polygons, bevel it, insert it, or even you can make this with a line also. So select this edges and let's give a bit of chamfer. Select the polygons, extrude it down, and let's delete it. So again select this edges and let's slightly give a bit of chamfer. Okay, so for this stuff looking like some towels over here, for that I can go into the spline and I can use circles also, or you can use a line. You can use a line also. So line won't go well, but we can try to make something. So we don't have a spiral option, that's the reason we are just creating it very manually. So let's go into this and enable in viewport. We'll just keep it in this way and increase its length. We can do the changes afterwards also if required. So just place this over here and I'll mirror it in x-axis over here. Again go over here. Let's take a line tool, make it much thinner. So now we are just placing this elements over here. We'll slightly reduce its thickness. Again I'll mirror it. Again go over here. Slightly just push it over here. Now we can definitely put some leaves also if required. We'll create this knobs over here. I'll take a spear over here. convert to editable poly. I'll slightly scale that, convert to poly, select the polygons from the front area, we'll delete that, right click and just cap that, mirror it, so select this polygons, press R and slightly scale it, and let's just place it over here. Again duplicate that, shift and drag, save your file. So as you can see, if you want to create this, you can model this part also. So before that, you already have a connection over here. So you can use a line over here. So enable in viewport, reduce its thickness, select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet. So let's just give a fillet over here, convert to editable poly, use a swift loop over here, select this polygons, extrude it by local normal, R and slightly scale that, so you can add few connects, the center also in this way, that can be done. So in whatever the best way you can create this. After that, select again this polygons and slightly extrude that, and again extrude it. Select this polygons and slightly again extrude it down, and a bit inside and extrude it a bit inside slowly. Alright. So that's how you can just manage this stuff. So again you can select this, ring it, control and click on this polygons, extrude it, click OK. So select the polygons, extrude it out. So in this way this can be connected over here. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we have a long way to go, it's going to take time. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.